This is my elderly friendly house which I've designed. Over here there is the living room where the TV has been set at a very low level, as you can see. The sofa is also at a height of less than 1 meter so that the elderly can sit down and not have any problems or trouble when doing so. Then we have the kitchen over here, which has been designed for safety as well. There is a fire extinguisher and phone in case the elderly has any trouble. She can call, and if there's a fire, then they can put out the fire. The stove and the sink and the tabletop platform over here has also been set to a very low height of about 1 meter so that even in a wheelchair the elderly will not have any trouble cooking or washing up. Then we have the dining area where the dining table is at a height of less than 1 meter as well, as you can see over here. Let me just change the mode. So as you can see, it's about 1 meter only. Then we go to the master bedroom. Where the elderly will sleep and such. Over here, as you can see over here, this is the elderly's bed. There's a phone installed here, and a lamp has also been kept over there. Also, a TV has been kept for the elderly's entertainment. There is a table at also about a height of 1 meter, and a wardrobe for the elderly as well. Then we also have the master bedroom's toilet connected so the elderly can access it at night or any other time of the day. It has non-slip mats. They are more in the master bedroom as that's where the elderly is most likely going to go to the toilet. There has been a handle has been installed as well as a phone, so the elderly can have support, and anything happens to the toilet, the elderly can call as well. As compared to the other bathroom, there is only 2 non-slip mats which is near the toilet bowl, but the elderly's bathroom will have more non-slip mats. And then last but not least, we have the guest bedrooms, or whatever else it's called, with 2 lampshades at the side, and if the elderly has to come in, there's plenty of room for maneuvering. The wardrobes are here, and both have a nightstand. And also the corridor for the elderly to move in a wheelchair, there's a lot of space as it's about 1.5 meters. So no matter what, this house is definitely very friendly for the elderly.